Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we are going to be looking at our fall vegetables. So we haven't been posting a lot of videos because I got school, soccer, church, my sister's in the marching band, but we'll be making more. We'll have stuff coming out. So stay tuned and please don't forget about me. And if you want to help a little boy, like and subscribe and tell your friends. So now we're going to be dumping our compost in there. You don't want to eat that. And what can go in the compost too, because in our compost video, I think we were putting wood chips in there. So we could, and if you don't know, paper was actually first wood. Yeah. So now we can actually put the bag in there. So now I gotta go to school soon. But I can't go to school without picking some of our veggies. So we're just gonna be picking some tomatoes. I dropped my bowl. So some tomatoes. This is a good one. And this guy. Oh, this one right here. Orange tomato. How am I in? This guy. Yeah, this is gonna be a cannon tomato. Daddy long legs. Let me tell you why this happens. If you grow tomatoes in your garden, if you have one, you probably have rain for like a week like we did. So there's too much rain for the tomatoes, and since these are a lot older, yeah, so they'll just start being cracks in the tomatoes. And we don't want that, but that's still okay. We won't eat them plain, we'll just make them into canned tomatoes. And remember these? We got our carrots, some more carrots, we got our beets, which we're going to be eating soon. Love them. And we got our baby carrots. Ta-da! And we just got some more carrots. Everybody loves carrots except for me. Bleh. I don't like them. And remember our peas here? They have flowers on them. That means we're going to be eating them soon. And here are our pole beans. We planted them in our first video, and now look at them. They're literally just a jungle. Put these in a jungle, bro. How are they so big? I didn't even see those ones. This stuff in our last video. We got our lettuce, and we got I get the name, and we got our pak choy, and we got our spinach, and just like again, pak choy, and more beets, and a couple onions, and our carrots. My dad planted them, I didn't. And over here we got some more peas, carrots, yuck, and peas, yuck. Sister's allergic to peas. I always saved her when we were on a cruise. I'm a hero. Remember our corn? Yeah, we should probably get it down. So let's just do that. Watch out, guys! Wow. We're going to use these for decorations for fall. For that, hashtag Halloween. So we're gonna bundle them up just like this and put them on our porch for Halloween, which is a while. I keep trying to make shorts in the before, in the morning before school. So sometimes I get to, sometimes I don't. Most times I don't. And my dad posted a picture of me yesterday. I'm doing woodwork, so I hope you like and subscribe that. I mean, just like it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. So close, guys. I need space. Bye.